Welcome to 7 Clarelyn Boulevard, a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom side-split home with 4 levels of beautifully renovated interior living space, nestled on a premium-sized lot within Ajax's historic Pickering Village neighbourhood. Lined with stone interlocking curbs, the driveway offers up to 6 vehicle parking in addition to the attached single-car garage, while decorative glass inserts dress the sidelights and door of the front entrance, which opens into main-level principal rooms that showcase a gorgeous modern design with an open concept layout. The living room wall is painted in a deep shade, creating a striking and visually appealing focal point, while a neutral decor, pot lights, contemporary light fixtures, and natural light through windows with north and south-facing exposures contribute to the bright, spacious aura of this level. High-quality laminate flooring flows throughout, while between the kitchen and living room is a huge island with seating, a stone counter, and pendant lighting. A wonderful enhancement while entertaining, as well as providing added working space for the stunningly updated modern kitchen. Also featuring stone counters, as well as a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink and mosaic tiled backsplashes, the kitchen's light-colored base cabinets and pantry area have the contrast of dark-colored glass-paneled upper cabinets. And this space is complete with a stainless steel oven and range hood, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a Frigidaire Professional side-by-side fridge freezer. The dining room's papered accent wall has a chic geometric pattern that accentuates the room's modern elegance, and from here is a sliding door walkout with interior blinds opening onto a large entertaining deck overlooking the impressively sized backyard. Lined with shrubs and hedges, enjoying the shade of a mature maple tree, and also featuring raised garden beds and a separate stone patio, the backyard has enormous potential for future transformation into a dream outdoor oasis. The main level's tiled foyer has a walk-in coat closet, and off this space are hardwood stairs to both the upper and lower ground levels. The upper level featuring quality laminate flooring throughout, 3 bedrooms, and a beautifully updated 5-piece washroom. This washroom showcases upgraded tiles finishing the floor, surrounding the soaker tub, and also finishing a shower area with glass door. The vanity has a stone counter, undermount basins, and upgraded lighting. And just a few steps down the hallway is the linen closet. The 3rd bedroom has a good-sized closet and a south-facing window. The 2nd bedroom has a bright yet neutral decor, a north-facing window, and a double closet with organizers. While the south-facing master bedroom has space for a sitting area by sliding doors that open to a Juliet balcony overlooking the backyard, as well as a double closet with organizers and upgraded sliding doors. The lower ground level also has quality laminate flooring throughout, and to the right of the landing is a very spacious south-facing family room featuring pot lighting and a large window with backyard views. And wrought iron inserts accent the glass panels of its walkout, which opens to the backyard's stone patio. This level's very spacious bedroom has ample closet storage, an upgraded light fixture, and a sitting area by its north-facing window, and which also has semi-private access to a two-piece washroom featuring upgraded floor tiles and an updated vanity. The fully finished basement level features pot lighting and quality laminate flooring in its generously sized recreation area, with the laminate flooring continued into a bonus room with an oversized basement window that is ideal as a home office or hobby room. This level additionally features a three-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes, an updated vanity, and a shower area with sliding glass doors, as well as a combined furnace and laundry room with a tiled floor, a front-load washer and dryer, and an oversized basement window. A short walk to the Village Greenbelt Trail, as well as to Lincoln Avenue Public, St. Francis de Sales Catholic Elementary, and Pickering High Schools. This home is also a short walk to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.